Hey everyone, this is Taurus Pan, Recipe Explorer, my hackathon project. Fast, fun, and all about food.
Have you ever had those days when you just want to cook something healthy, but you can't find the recipe you're looking for?
We all know that cooking is not always easy.
The app itself, clean, minimal, with a bold red header, because red is the color of food passion. It's live on Netlify and powered by 12 KendoReact components. App bar, input, button, card suite, dialog, loader, notifications, chart, rating, icon, and SVG icon, and X icon. Let's see it in action. Click Show All, and the full recipe list is right there. Sort by rating or name in one tap. All images are from Unsplash. Tasty, right? Start typing 3 letters and fuzzy search with Fuse.js brings recipes to life. Open any card. Boom. You get cooking steps and a neat nutrition chart with proteins, fats, and carbs. For the Code Smarter, Not Harder category, I teamed up with a KendoReact AI coding assistant. It gave me a head start by cooking up new recipes for the dataset, sketching the first sorting logic, and whipping up the Show All function to reveal the full menu. Grateful to the organizers for the chance to work with KendoReact, and to you for sticking around. Full code's on GitHub, ready if you're hungry for more. That's Taurus Pan, from search to flavor, fast. See you next time.